Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, we're taking our first look at the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. We're in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where the global launch is being held, but lucky we got our hands on the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. Now, one of the big deal things about this device is that it can do fast charge 2.0. But before we talk about that, let's unbox this first. Day one, and the location was the F1 Sepang International Circuit. This is where they announced the Infinix Note 40 series, which included 4 phones, the Infinix MagKit accessories, more on these later, and even the X-Buds 3 and the X-Watch 3. Now, it was only fitting we were at a speedway considering it's where fast things happen. And a big Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus feature, ultra fast charging, like crazy fast. But more on that later. We'll do a battery test. Stay tuned. Anyway, at this event, there were fast cars, very fast cars drifting, and even a cool light exhibit with the Note 40 Pro Plus. When I move the phone, the light reacts to it depending on my movement. And this is really cool because you're using the built-in gyroscope in here to make that happen. This is also cool.
Fast charging contact. So
that whole bit signifies how fast charging is on this phone. This is an amazing light installation. We're taking a tour of Kuala Lumpur, and the first stop on our itinerary is Kwat Chai Hong, or their Chinatown. But before we move on to this pretty place, first off, let me just say that I woke up with this dead because of course nobody got time to charge, and on trips like this you usually don't have a lot of time because you're just going, but this can charge from 0 to 100 in 30 minutes. Well, 31 minutes according to my test. I was able to do that this morning. It went from 0 to 40% in 10 minutes. In 15 minutes, it got to 57%. And it was crazy because it was at the 74% mark in 21 minutes. Now, what's amazing is that this isn't even the fastest charging speed this phone can do. We did smart mode charging, which balances heat and charging speed, but there's hyper mode charging, and this promises 50% in just 8 minutes. That's crazy. You also get other battery features like reverse charging or bypass charging, and of course that wireless mag charge and the mag charge accessories. That charging speed is crazy considering this has a 4,600 milliamp hour battery in it. And if I didn't get to charge, I have this, which is to me the thinnest MagSafe power bank I've ever seen. This has 3,020 milliamp hours, and what's great is that this Android phone does MagSafe charging. That's also why this came with that charging pad when we unboxed it. That's Fast Charge 2.0 for you. We're finally sitting down and I'm holding the mic up to my phone because there is music playing and I am hoping that I don't get copyrighted because of the ambient sound. But yeah, basically this is one sleek phone too. I mean, look at that, and this is with case on already. Aside from that, you of course get a curved display, and you guys know I am team curved screen. And no, I don't want to hear any more arguments about it being hard to get a screen protector because this phone comes with a screen protector. Up front, that is also an in-display fingerprint scanner. On the right side, you get your volume rockers, your unlock button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port, SIM tray. And up top, you get even more speakers. And as you can see, that does say JBL because audio on this phone is by JBL. Okay, I said a lot of things, and if it gets copyrighted by the sounds, that's gonna suck. And then I'm just gonna VO this, so. Walking and talking, this is with steady mode on this phone, but it does downgrade to 1080p. We've drank here before. Such a pretty place. The phone throughout the day, and this thing reps a triple cam setup on the back with a main camera 108 megapixel shooter which can do 3 times optical zoom plus OIS. It has a 2 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera as well. Up front, that's a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So we actually found a not marketplace. We're at a coffee shop bookstore area because it's hot.
It's really hot. A shout out to Bernard of TechNave. He's the one who showed me this place before.
Thanks, Bernard. Okay, so this is bokeh on video right now. I really like this place. On this side, we have a sign, and it opened up my mind. I saw the sign. This is without steady mode. one with Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. A few things that I wanted to say that I didn't get to talk about during the vlog. Number one, I absolutely love the halo lighting function on this. I've never seen halo lighting that was quite this pretty. It isn't just an indicator light. There are colors on the back of this phone, and you can change between different patterns, and you can switch around which notifications you'd want. Now, this thing is powered by a MediaTek D725G chip. You have a base of 12 GB of RAM with an option to upgrade to 24. There's a vapor chamber on here, which should be good for keeping the phone cool, especially for gaming. But you guys know that gaming is not something I really do on these videos, and finally, yes, this phone is 5G capable. Anyway, that's it for today. That was our first look, and again, day one with the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. This time around, I brought you with me to the actual event. Let me know what your thoughts are on this type of video. Let me know what other types of videos you'd want me to shoot with this phone. Comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.